What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. I'm coming up with another tutorial. So tonight we're going to be doing a tutorial about how you can post your website on the internet where everybody can see it in China, in South America, in Europe, and for free. You don't have to pay anything. So we can do that through GitHub. You don't have to know a lot of commands for this. It's just so simple. If you follow what I do, you can just post that one website that everybody can see it anywhere. Okay, let's start. First, you gotta have your own, open up your own account in GitHub. Okay, and then you have to come to do a new repository. Okay, right here, what you have to do, make sure that you typed the name of your user right here. Mine is programmer 1206. So make sure just to write down that programmer 1206, and then you gotta use a .github.io. Yeah, when you're done with the repository name, so make sure just to click that add a readme file, and after that, don't worry about the description. I mean, I don't think that's pretty interesting. Like it says right there, optional. Just go create repository. We're creating one now. Okay, programmer 1206.github.io. So now you have to upload your file. You have to have your website ready. Okay, so come right here, add file, upload files, and then come right here, choose your files. And I got a bunch of websites I built. Oh man, but the one that you have to put in there is the one that it has to have by the name index.html. And I already have mine right here. Let's okay, it's already there, upload it. But then I have some images. Go back in there. I got my images, and right here I have a folder which I have a few images right there. And I want all of this to be on here. We just drag that in there. It will just take some time just to do this, less than a minute for sure. It's uploading everything. Pretty soon, almost there. Yeah. There, almost. I mean, if you want to, you don't have to watch this part. But while we're waiting, I just want to say, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and hopefully this video can help you how to post that one website that you are working so hard and you want to put it online. So this is the way to do it. Almost there. Hurry. Oh man, should bring my lunch with me, huh? Almost there. All right. Almost there. Good. And we are almost done. Okay, cool. This is done. So now, and commit changes, just write on the initial commit. And then commit changes. Click on there. It's processing the files right now. Like it says right there, will take a few minutes to complete. Since I'm taking some images, it just take a little bit longer. Okay, that's ready. So now what you have to do, you gotta come right here to settings. Click on settings, and then you come right here where GitHub pages. Your site is ready to be published. Click on that. Yes, it's ready. And my comes with my username, like we did a repository name, which is programmer 1206.github.io. So this is my images, and this is my website that I built. just test. Sunny. I got rainy, snowy, and I got overcast. Yeah, I should change the names in there. I was just playing around with this, but the whole point is, like, it's in the internet where people can see it now. So hopefully you guys like the video, and if you want to check the code for this and change it or whatever you want to do, it's going to be on github.com forward slash uh, uh, it's going to be program at 1206. Yeah. So okay, guys, thank you for checking the video. So have a good night, and I will talk to you next time I do the next tutorial video. Thank you. Bye.